So to begin our project, let's first create a box. So let's just click and drag the box over onto the work plane. Doesn't really matter where it goes. TinkerCAD gives you a number of options for controlling the size of this box. For example, there's little white handles on the corners of the box that you can click and drag to control the width and the length. There's also another white handle kind of in the middle that you can use to click and hold to control the height of the box. Also in the TinkerCAD interface, there are sliders there to the right that you can slide these sliders for the length, width, and height to control the size of the box. Also, you can input precise numerical values. For example, let's say we want this box to be 75 units in length. Right now where I've got it where it says 39.89, I can just click on that and type in 75. I can change the width by clicking on the current width option and changing it to an even 50. And maybe I want my height to be even 10. So that's a number of ways you can control the size of a box when you create it in TinkerCAD. For our keychain plate demo, let's adjust these values a little bit more. I want our length to be 50. I want my width to be 75. And I want the height to be 5. Now if you click off onto the grid anywhere off of the box, you should see the handles disappear and you should see a plain red box at this point.